How do I register a new employee?
Registering a new employee inside the Christmas Light Academy is simple. Whether you've invested in CLA Core or a CLA custom training program, the process is exactly the same. As the business owner, you'll want to go to the email address you used when you originally signed up for the Christmas Light Academy. In your inbox, search for Employee Registration Page. If you don't see it right away, search for the Christmas Light Academy and look for your welcome emails. The reason you'll need to access it through your email is because the employee registration page is a private link that's only available to CLA members. Once you open the employee registration page, simply enter your employee's information and submit their registration. After they're registered, they'll receive instructions on how to access their training and get started. If you're still having trouble finding the registration page, you can always reach out to us at admin@thechristmaslightacademy.com and we'll be happy to help.